Hey, my name is Phil from beginnerwebsite.com. In this video, I want to show you how to change the link structure in WordPress, which is using permalinks. And if you don't know what that means, basically if I show you this blog that I have right here, as you can see, it's demo.beginnerwebsite.com/2022/03/30/hello world. Now that is an extremely long blog title. So what I want to do is actually just change it to hello world. So let me show you how to do that step by step. It's actually really easy to do. But before we get into it, if it's your first time on this channel, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. And if you haven't yet, hit subscribe. I've got so many great WordPress tutorials coming out in the near future, and I'd love to share them with you. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is come to your WordPress dashboard, come to the top left over your website name and open your dashboard. Now once this loads, it's very simple. All you need to do is come down to settings, and you will see on the sixth one down, I believe it is, there is a setting called permalinks. So go ahead, click on permalinks. Now as you can see here, we have what's called common settings, and this shows us the different types of permalink structure we can actually use. So this is saying by post number, this is saying by day and name, this is saying by month and name, numeric, and we also have post name. Now majority of the time we have what's called the post name. Reason being is you just want to have the post title after your domain. So what I'm going to do is select post name, come down and click save changes. Now once that has finished, as you can see, permalink structure updated. What I'm going to do is come back to my posts, click on all posts, and now I'm going to click on view. If you remember what our URL used to look like, it used to say 2022/03/30/hello world. Now it is just hello world, which we have now changed our permalink structure, and it looks much better. So that is it, guys. That is how to change your URL structure in WordPress, and that is by changing the permalinks. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, once again, smash that thumbs up button. If you haven't yet, hit subscribe. I hope to bring you some amazing tutorials in the near future, so make sure you are subscribed. That's it from me. I'll see you on the next video.